Hello, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Banjombo, and how are you guys today? Okay, and today guys, I'm going to give you new tutorial
Again!
Yes, of course. And you know what? Because I find on the street people like have a struggle approaching their beloved one, and I know most of you might be thinking like, oh, that's very kind of this guy. He's about to give us a new trick, and yeah, I'm a good guy, so I'm here to help you.
Who on earth would think the way you do?
Whatever. This is my show, okay? Whatever. So let me do this. Let's finish this, okay? Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, first let me give you demonstrations of this trick. How I find two cards very fast, very quickly, like Thanos does, like snap, boom. Okay, so pay extra attention, and right now I'm gonna grab two cards. Okay, black 6 and black 9, and then I'm gonna leave them at random spot in the middle of the deck like this. And I believe it's about 13 and 37. Yeah, I believe 13 and 37. Pay extra attention guys. I'm gonna go very fast like this. This is how I find them very fast, okay? Okay, this trick uses very simple principle, which is pseudo duplicate. So if you are just getting started in magic trick, you might be going like, what is that? This sounds strange to your ear, right? So the pseudo duplicate is when two cards look alike but they're not the same, such as the 9 and 6, 6 and 9. Yeah, like this. Yeah, now I certainly know you might be going like, what is that? That is it? That's stupid, like, you know what? But in fact guys, this trick fools most of people because a little bit of psychology involved with this trick. And you know, because you don't give them a specific information refers to the symbol or the shoes, like this. Okay, so the spectator's mind is not remembering it, therefore they're tricking themselves. Okay, you don't mention the symbol, you just mention the color, the black 6 and the black 9. Okay, but you know, very important to note, these have to be the opposite suits. They cannot be the 9 and 6 of club, okay, or the 9 and 6 of spades, like so guys. Yo, don't go like this, wrong. They have to be engage each other like this. They will go like this guys, okay? They engage each other, and then, alright, this is the setup. You just leave the 6 or the 9 on top and the other one at the bottom, and then the other two are gonna be placed in the middle of the deck like this. Now you're all set up for your trick. Okay, to start off the trick, you just go through the deck like this, but be sure not to flash this side. You just hold the deck like in these positions, and then find the black 6 and the black 9. Okay guys, find the black 6 and the black 9 like so. Okay, and then I will say like, yo, I have the black 6 and the black 9, as I'm sort of shuffling like this, but I don't want them to look at them too long, okay, because they're gonna notice. But you don't go crazy like, okay, I have the black 6 and the black 9, okay, because they're not gonna know what's going on. Okay, your spectator is not gonna know what's going on. Okay, just be cool, just shuffle them like 2 or 3 times like this, and then you just you know, put them in the middle of the deck back like this. Okay, and now we need a justification. We need to justify the reason why we are able to find them very fast, very quickly. You know, you can explain to them that you are about to do something cool, that you are about to do something magical, or you can mention gambling stuff or anything. It's up to you guys. I usually count. Okay guys, I usually count like, oh yeah, I believe it's 13 or 37. So I would say like that. If you have no idea how to deliver this trick, you can follow my lead. You can count like it's about 13 or 37 or what, or 12 or 50, whatever. And then right now we do the select. Right guys, now we know that the cards are on top and on the bottom, right? I don't know which hand you are comfortable with, but I prefer right hand, so I will transfer the deck from my left hand to my right hand, and then my left hand will come forward toward the spectator like this. So a little bit of misdirection is going on, and then my left hand is gonna get ready to catch the rest of the card like this, and then your right hand is gonna adjust the card from this grip to this, like you pinch the cards, you pinch it, and then you've got your fingertip right here, and then you've got your thumb, and then let everything into the left hand, okay, except the top and the bottom card, like so. Okay guys, very simple, very easy, but it takes skill, so you have to practice. But you know, at first you're gonna go like this, guys, okay, because once you are used to it, you're gonna make it look more impressive, okay. So you are gonna be able to catch them super far away like that, but it takes skill, so you have to practice, okay. If you are ready, you can go out and show your friends, your spectator. Now congratulations, right now you are becoming a cool person. Yeah, you're becoming cool person right now. So that's it for today tutorial, guys. I don't know what if you have a question, leave that in the comment section below, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll give more like badass tutorial on my next video. See you there, and yeah, thank you. Goodbye.